instance, we are covering in the fiber optic cable. These are the things what exactly is being asked in the interviews. Okay, so make sure that you guys go through all the things what we have discussed in the session. This basically concludes the cabling part of it. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes.
All of you have taken the screenshot, right?
Yes. Sir, can you tell once what is this TX minus and RX minus?
TX minus and RX minus, it is used for cancelling out the signal. Okay. Signal cancellation. Signal cancellation. So sometimes, like what systems, they send excessive amount of voltage cancellation. So excessive amount of voltage getting cancelled. Okay, so that's excessive amount of signal. Okay, it is getting the like what the cancellation done over here by TX minus and RX minus. Okay, so if this one is, let's say that they are transmitting one voltage. Okay, one voltage by this TX plus. Sometimes they can also transmit two voltages. Okay, but this side is having the capacity to receive only one voltage. So obviously this additional, this extra one, it is getting minus, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If this one is doing the TX, okay, then this side will be subtracting one from here, and it will be same because over here the capacity is what? One voltage on the pin. So excessive amount of voltage, okay, this is your signal, it is being cancelled by this TX minus and RX minus. Okay, negative is always used for signal cancellation purposes. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Because it's all about voltage what we are transmitting. Okay. Go on. All of you have taken the screenshot, right? This particular section you guys have taken the screenshot, correct?
Yes, sir. Taken.
So this basically covers the entire things, okay, what exactly we have discussed from the last couple of sessions. Always go through the things, okay, properly, do the projects, assignments, what exactly is given to you, okay, make sure that you at least do one project on a daily basis, okay, because unless you do the projects, okay, this is when exactly everything will be sounding a little bit complicated, and when you do it, it becomes simple. So that is why exactly doing at least one project is required. So routing section, we have seen the static routing, RIP routing, EIGP routing, OSPF routing. Okay, routing always is important. Without routing, we cannot do anything. Setting up a network, setting up a topology is also very much important, without which we cannot do anything. Okay, which particular network is best for communication purpose? If we have one gateway, then what is the issue? If we have multiple gateways, then what exactly problem is solved by having multiple gateways? These are the like what comparisons you have to always make. Okay, it is not just about typing commands; it's about understanding why we are typing these commands. What is the reason? If every single command is being typed without understanding the actual reason of using these commands, okay, then anyone can do that, okay, because this command wise you don't have that many number of configuration, okay, just 2-3 lines of codes and that's it, you are done. Okay, so in the routing also, in the switching also, you've seen the configurations wise, there is not much configuration, but technology wise, the understanding is pretty much required. But why exactly we are using this technology? What is the reason we are using the VTP command? Okay, the spanning tree command. Why we are manipulating the root page, why we are manipulating the root port, why we are changing the uh, like what the broadcast domain. Okay, all these things are basically logical. Okay, from the logical perspective, we have to. Okay, this is one exactly will make the differentiation that why we are having BTP, why we are having STP. If we don't have BTP, then what is it? Okay, what will happen if I don't have STP? When you do the differentiation in this type of approach, okay, always you will understand the technology in a much more better way. So this is what exactly is required. Okay. And these are project based, as I have already told you, that create your project, okay, create your own project. Try to configure, okay, a complicated project and try to achieve communication. By doing that, you will be gaining like what practical knowledge about how to work in a complicated network as well in the company. Because your company is a like what they are having like what 40, 50 number of switches. They have like what 20, 50 number of routers. Okay, they have other devices as well. Okay, they have around hundreds, okay, of like what number of machines, laptop, desktop machines are there. Okay, and in this environment, when you are going to work, then make sure that you are basically confident to work, okay, over there. And the confidence always comes when you work already in this type of project. So research is always important. Okay, well, when you do research, this is when exactly all these things it comes um, like what it is coming uh, easy. Okay, otherwise like what you will be always feeling that like what it is difficult, it is complicated, I cannot do it. Okay, I'm not getting it properly. Okay, start with the small one first. Okay, start with a small network, configure it, then make it a big network. Okay, big network always you can make it. But if you understand how to make a small network, then only you can make a big network. So number of machines can be more in the organization. Okay, and this is where exactly you will be using all these things. Okay, your routing, your switching technologies, okay, SEL, NAT, WAN technologies, okay, device management, telnet, SSH, all these things are coming. So make sure that you do some project. Okay, on a daily basis, if you are giving at least 30 minutes of time, okay, to a particular project, that is sufficient. Okay. But if you are not doing anything at all, then it will be a problem because unless you do a project, okay, this concepts, okay, you will not be getting it properly. So just by watching, just by seeing, just by attending the session, okay, if you are thinking that you will be getting it correctly without doing any project, that is not true. For a particular time being, you can say that okay, I know these things, but after a certain time, exactly you will be forgetting everything. Okay, because theoretically we are not learning these things. Okay, it is always about practically managing the company's network, and the company's network is big network, and we are simply just using this all these technologies over there. Okay, so getting the practical hands-on, okay, um, in this project is very much important. Okay, so that is the reason. Always make some time to do in like what all these projects. Okay, at least 30 minutes for a day. That will be sufficient. So all of you, we're having the last 10 minutes of the session. So this is the last session, as already you guys know. If you have not, you know, like what if you have any questions, you can ask me. Similarly, if you have missed any screenshots, you can basically ask me. I will provide you the screenshot as well. If you have missed any sessions, you can ask me. Uh, you can ask me for that as well. So tell me, anyone, if you have missed any sessions, you
So
want any screenshots,
one question, sir.
tell me.
Sir, when we use the term Ethernet, so it all speaks about the wired network, or it's more than that?
Ethernet is a technology, first of all. It's a technology what we use on land. Okay, it's the name of a technology. Okay, in in meshes. Okay, look, like for example, when we are connecting our laptop, desktop, okay, and we are creating a LAN environment. In this LAN environment, this is the technology what we are using to make communication. This is the technology we are using to send or receive things. This Ethernet is nothing but technology by which we are making communication in a network environment. Okay, it is the simplest definition what exactly I can give you.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
And sir, it was
tell me.
mentioned that it used to work on the means data link, sorry, layer 2 and layer 1 of the OSI model.
Layer two. At layer two, it works. Ethernet always works at layer two, not layer three.
Okay.
Okay, oh, yes, yes. Akash, tell me.
Yeah, can you confirm me how many of topologies or how many of topologies or subnetting we are done, like RIP and what kind of ones?
How many,
Hello.
like what? Topology wise, we are using one topology for doing routing. The topology what we used in routing, this is only one of it. Okay, we have three routers, right? Gateway one, router one, and gateway two. Right. We have three like what client machines. We have two server machines and two switches. This is the same topology what we have used in the entire routing section. Yes or no? If I talk about this one, this is the topology, right?
No, sir. That configuration, that configurations like RIP and these type of.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is the
Yes.
topology, right? What we have used in the entire routing section, we used this topology. And configuration wise, you have taken the screenshot, right, of these configurations, Akash?
Oh, sorry. Configurations.
Yes, configuration of what?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Configuration of what? Which particular configuration you want? Okay, so Akash has lost his connection. Yes.
Sir, one question, sir.
Tell me.
What if we configure LAN 1 with RIP version, RIP, and for LAN 2 we go for EIGR? What will happen, sir? Will it work?
Communication will not be happening
Okay.
because two are different
Good.
protocols, right?
Yes.
So communication will not happen.
Okay.
That is why we are using one protocol.
One
Okay,
protocol. Yes.
one protocol over there. But in the advanced, like what in more advanced technologies, you will be getting to know that how this type of communication can also happen.
Okay.
So if you do advanced certifications, okay, from Cisco, over there exactly it is explained. Okay, that how you can communicate from RIP to EIGRP, from EIGRP to RIP, like that. Okay. Yes. Anyone has missed any sessions? You guys want screenshots for any of the sessions?
Sir, I want Saturday class screenshots, sir.
Means tell me the topic, the concept name, what you have missed on that
On
Saturday.
Saturday, I don't know the topic name, sir.
Okay, on Friday, what exactly you have attended? The session concept was what on Friday? What was the last session you have attended? On Friday, what we discussed? Is Bhaskar on Friday,
Yes,
last
sir.
Friday, what we have discussed?
So last Friday, I think when we are talking when and
One
switching.
technology is.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Pranati. Is it one technology is your means?
On 31st March, we discussed NAT configuration.
That after that one technologies are there. I guess this is what you have missed. Let me give you this one. Just hold on. It is up to one technology. This part. Take this screenshot.
Okay, sir.
This is your one wide area network technologies. Taken.
Taken, sir.
Take this part.
Okay, sir.
Take this part.
Taken, sir.
Then we have discussed about preliminary. Take this. Taken.
Yeah, taken, sir.
This part up to here. We discussed about all this.
Okay.
Okay. And the VLAN you have like what you have got it right? VLAN. This concept you have got it already, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it means that HSRP and one technology. So HSRP is there. Over here you are getting HSRP. This is what we discussed. Take the screenshot.
Okay, sir.
And this is your HSRP some information. Okay.
Taken, sir.
Right. Okay. So all of you, any more questions?
One question, sir.
Tell me.
As a network engineer, should we know how to connect RJ45 to the cable, sir?
It is right now it is not required actually because I have shown you that these days we have this type of cables connect. They are already coming with this type of connectors. But if you want to, okay, then like what you need the color combination, the color coding, and the connector. You have to purchase it, okay, and you need a crimping machine for this. Okay, so this crimping machine is available. You can simply just search on Google. Okay, this crimping machine you need it to make this cable. Okay, crimping machine. Okay, this type of crimping machine is there. What exactly you can use? Okay, this type of crimping machine. You need this particular machine in order to build the like what make the cable always. Okay, so this is what exactly is required. Okay, but these days we always get the cable okay with the connector directly when you are purchasing it or getting it. Okay, so no need for this type of machines these days. But always it is important to know that how to make this cable. You can find like what this how to make all this type of cables okay practically on internet. Okay, on YouTube you can basically get this type of cable crimping videos are there and all this. So simply just use it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, all of you. So it is almost about time to end the session.
Sir, one question, sir. Just one question. Sir, like in our interview, can they ask us to configure the topology, something like this?
No, 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 no. It is not.
Sir, up to what level we have to prepare for the interview, sir? That I am getting confused, sir.
Like what? Theoretically, like you have to prepare yourself. Okay.
Till
Remember the
the
technologies.
switching part, correct?
remember the technologies. Always you can search on internet. Okay, the interview questions which is been asked. Okay, always you can like what search on internet regarding this. Okay, there are lots of websites out there which are having
Okay.
this type of interview questions and answers. Okay. So always you can get a reference from there as well. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Just hold on, everyone. Let me just take the screenshots. Okay, all of you. So all these like what projects, what exactly we have done, all the technologies, what you have learned, make sure that you do the like what practice for it. Okay, at least 30 minutes. Just make some time and do all the projects. Okay? And your upcoming session informations you will get to know from your recruiter itself. Okay, so keep on learning, everyone, and make sure that you have some time, okay, on a single day basis to prepare for all these okay technologies. Is what I would like to say. So all of you, thanks, and
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
thanks
Thank
and
you
bye
so much,
everyone.
sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Bye everyone.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.